you have a lab report for antibiotic producers, but online handout for antiseptics, disinfectants, antibiotics. You just finish your online handout before the due date, that everything should be okay. And another thing is we want you to compare the effectiveness of different antiseptics, disinfectants, antibiotics towards different group 4 bacteria, gram-positive and gram-negative. Get an idea what's the difference between these two group 4 bacteria. And our TA has a tendency to ask these questions in our quiz. So please memorize it. In general, you also see the result. In general, gram-negative bacteria is more resistant to antibiotics than gram-positive bacteria due to their very complex cell wall structure. You could also go back to the slides to compare the complexity of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. So there are the results for our gram-positive bacteria, Staphylococcus aureus. You will see this is our hydrogen peroxide, shows you the biggest zone of inhibition. And we have others, like this is a disinfectant, so a little bit small, no inhibition from ammonia towards Staphylococcus aureus. And this we also would say 0. And iodine, Listerine, no zone of inhibition present in various site, and ammonia. Let's have a look of this soap. Wow, soap works. So how about this? Bleach. Bleach works. Others, no. Hand sanitizer. And let's have a look. Penicillin, aromycin, tetracycline, and chloramphenicol. We all almost see but we see the biggest zone of inhibition from penicillin. This is interesting that I want to compare with you from our gram-negative bacteria E. coli. So here is penicillin. What you see from here is 0 inhibition zone compared with our gram-positive bacteria, and this is the reason why I asked you why like E. coli showed no zone of inhibition compared with our gram-positive bacteria, and I believe you know the answer.